Okay, that's a Wiener dog. Got two of them. That's Daisy, the little girl. She's skinny. We have to feed her like this special powder and stuff. She's like 9 months. This is Leroy. He's turning 2. When she'll turn 1. He's strong. He's awesome. And this is how they play. Daisy, get her. Come on, come on. Come on, get her. Get her. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, girl. Come on, 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 come on. And then Leroy goes, come on, girl. Shut up. Come on, quit barking, quit barking. Shut up, Mom's asleep. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Shut up. Come on, come on, come on, come on, Daisy, come on. Yes, girl, come on, yes, 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 yes. Yes, come on, come on, come on. Come on, puppies. Come on, come on, come on, come on, shut up. Shut up. Come on, 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 Daisy, come on, yeah. And it stopped. And now she's back, he's back, he's back, he's back, he's back. Yes. Come on, come on, come on. And then Leroy comes in for the kill. It's Leroy, it's Daisy, it's Leroy, it's Daisy. Shut up. Shut up.